So here are just some examples of like the different possibilities that we have when it comes to plants, when it comes with plants. We have skullcap, it's Scullataria latiflora that helps to repair the myelin sheaths. And so myelin is that fatty coating around our nerves that helps with nerve conduction. And when people experience multiple sclerosis, the myelin sheaths are what are getting damaged in the autoimmune condition. So we have plants that can help restore the myelin versus the pharmaceuticals given for multiple sclerosis are going to be probably immunosuppressants, lots of anti-inflammatories and pain relievers that don't actually help to repair the damage, right? Maybe just slow it down. Nettle seed, stinging nettle leaf, all the plant parts have different um, indications. The leaf, the seed, the root, all kind of do different things. But stinging nettle seed can help to repair kidney tissue to the point where someone could potentially, depending on the stage, reverse kidney failure or at least slow it down. People have been able to get off of dialysis using stinging nettle seed, of course, accompanied with right diet, lifestyle, all those things.